Photographers, have you ever done a custom photo wrap cover and went to order it and then realized you have the wrong template size because you added a few pages or took some pages out? I'm going to show you how to make sure that never ever happens again. Let's dive in. So here we have the template. The problem is that when you change the number of pages with a custom cover wrap template, the template changes. And that is a big pain in the neck because then you have to go to the website of the lab and re-download those templates every time you change the number of pages. So here I have a template of 30 to 40 pages and I have a 40-page album, which is great. But let's go down and let's filter to my unused images. And let's say the client wants to add a bunch of images with the dress. I'm going to drop those in right here. Then she wants to add a bunch of images of getting ready. Let's drop those in right here. And now we're up to 44 pages. So what do? Go top left, click the edit icon, go to cover, and then custom image cover. All we have to do is increase that to the 42 to 46 pages and hit next, save, and done. And now my page numbers and my cover match. And then when you go to export, or if you choose to order direct, we'll even check those page counts for you. And you'll see that we made it through. So we're doing the hard work for you to make sure you don't make any mistakes. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing useful things to you on a weekly basis.